Say mine. Look at he. Today we are taking the 1985 Cadillac Eldorado to the muffler shop on the way to Gorilla Mufflers today, so we can get some dual exhaust pipes hanging out the back of this baby. That's going to be the first update that I do to this vehicle. I'm not sure on what order I'll place the videos, but this is actually the first mod that I'm doing to this baby right here. Alright, so just want to take a quick video of how he is now, and this is the last time you'll see him original, how I got him. Okay, here my beautiful wife is going to trail me to Gorilla Mufflers so we can get this muffler job done. You'll see. There you go. We're here at Gorilla Mufflers. Get some flow masters installed. We got it going up. Starting to work on this baby. See what we gotta do to get us some flow masters on there. So let's get a look. So this is what I got at first. Single pipe. Going all the way down to that single pipe. So we getting that switched out. We get the flow master put in here with two pipes coming out the back, going through here, coming out the ends. So when I crank it up, we get that nice rumble. You know what I'm saying? We got it dropped off here at Gorilla Muffler. But yeah, I just showed what it was, and we'll do it after we drop it off. We're gonna let Danny Jean drive it home, see she got the keys. Yeah. Say Dad. Right. Alright, we'll be back.
Sorry, she blows. Well, I'm not looking at it on the camera.
See how that sound? Oh, it sound like that. There she go, baby. See what we sound like. I don't want it too loud while it's sitting there. It's still a Cadillac. Alright, that sounds good. I appreciate it. Yeah. I'm about to get ready to pay for it. I think it's like $5.50. I'm not sure, but that was the sound test. I'll do another one when we get to the house so you can get a good inside, outside, and then whoa! I thought there was somebody sitting right there. Alright, man, let's go. Oh, yeah.
What was your name?
Yeah.
And are we getting tips or just pipes?
Just the pipes, just the flow masters and
one flow
pipes.
master. That's one flow master, single in, dual out, with two pipes coming out.
Yeah, straight out the back.
And no tips.
No tips, yeah. Alright, so I just got back from the muffler shop. About to do a little crank up. This is what it sounds like from the inside of the car. And gas station. Go with the tips, new tips hanging out. I'm gonna get those caps. Just got them on the other day. And it's the first time with the little rag on the back. So that's it. We're gonna do a startup as soon as I can find my key. See what kind of sound we get sitting here in the gas station. Daddy DIY, the channel of arts, crafts, and do-it-yourself projects. Keep watching for more videos from me, Daddy DIY.